Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to receive money through Zelle into your Kontigo account. Since Zelle itself only works with US banks, the process uses Kontigo's integration to receive transfers safely. Let's get started. First, log into your Kontigo account on your browser. Go to the Receive Money or Zelle section, depending on the version of your dashboard. Kontigo provides you with a US bank account number and routing details. These are linked to your Kontigo wallet. Next, share those details with the sender. Tell them to open their US banking app or Zelle-enabled account, choose Send with Zelle, and enter the Kontigo-provided email or account details. This allows the Zelle transfer to route directly to your Kontigo balance. Once the sender confirms the payment, return to your Kontigo dashboard and check transactions or wallet balance. Transfers usually show up within minutes, though in some cases it can take a few hours depending on the sender's bank. Finally, once the funds appear in Kontigo, you can withdraw them to your local bank account, use them for payments, or keep them in your wallet. Be aware of Kontigo's fees and limits. Some withdrawals or currency exchanges may incur charges. Quick tips: always double-check the account or email you give to the sender, and start with a small test transfer before moving larger amounts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.